2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, heated rear seats, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.